And kittens, welcome back after what I hope was an awesome weekend with great weather. I thought I'd start today with a bit of trivia. Did you know that the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? That's right, they were cooked in Greece. Badoom ching. I know you're missing that awful humor, so I thought I'd start with a really bad joke. We've got a busy week, lots of good stuff going on, so please watch to the end. Monday, April 27th, answer the question of the day. Wanted to give you a heads up that we will be having Blue Ridge Reel Zoom sectionals starting Wednesday. This week, low brass, low reeds, percussion, and French horns will have sectional time. Next week, altos, tenors, flutes, oboes, clarinets, and trumpets will have sectional time. We'll get to the proper times and Zoom links later in this presentation. We have this week, again, minimum 75 minutes over a minimum of 3 days, and wanted to take you to the Choose Your Own Adventure document. It looks a little different this week because we're asking those of you that are doing the virtual band to follow along as needed with some guidance on Blue Ridge Reel. Now, for those of you that are pretty well self-directed in your own practicing, you may not need to devote the kind of time to this that some others in the band might need to. So feel free to use this as a loose reference for how to structure your time on Blue Ridge Reel. I have included a reference recording, which I think you'll find super helpful, so just make sure to check out the link to the reference recording, and that will assist you in terms of getting a handle on style and articulation models. Due this week, 4 question of the days. Your practice journal is due on Friday by 9 p.m. And as a reminder, there is no recorded playing assignment due this week. Also wanted to just review from Friday, in case you didn't catch it in the end of the week flurry of stuff. Band Council has a new website, which you should check out. They're also taking requests for the band yearbook for 2019-2020, so fill out this form here if you would like to order a band yearbook. If you are interested in being involved in Band Council 2020-2021, you can either go to the website linked above to learn more about the positions and fill out this form to let them know where your interests lie. Last thing, if you would like to be a part of an optional project, this is going to be a thank you gift for the seniors. Those seniors, you are welcome and invited to be a part. Elliot and Shu Yen have offered to put together a virtual band of the Amador hymn. If you click here for information, it'll give you everything you need to know what to do. Most of us know the hymn. There's a message to the band, directions, recordings, parts, and a click track. And if you follow the directions, one of the links there also lets you know what to play in case your instrument isn't represented in the marching band. If you have any questions, you can ask Elliot. His email is linked in the documents on the project page. Tuesday, question of the day, a reminder that Blue Ridge Reel Zoom sectionals start tomorrow and your practice minimum. All right, for Wednesday, Thursday, you have 1 question for the 2 days. Low reeds, you will have a sectional with Mr. Dandria from 10:30 to 11:15. Zoom link here. Low brass, you will have a sectional with Mr. Grantham at the same time on Wednesday. Zoom link here. And then on Thursday, percussion, you will have a Zoom sectional with Mr. Dandria, 10:30 to 11:15 here. And then on Thursday, you will have French horns, a Zoom sectional with Mr. Grantham, Zoom link here. If for some reason your sectional time conflicts with another class obligation, please don't feel stressed if you can't make it. You don't need to email us if you can't be there, but we wanted to finally have an opportunity to make some music together. Would ask please that in advance of those sectionals that you've warmed up a little bit on your own, because we're not going to be trying to do warm-ups and fundamentals together. And then on Friday, answer the question of the day, submit your practice journal. And Mr. Dandria has spearheaded a pretty awesome effort that we wanted to make an announcement about called Pleasanton Quarantunes. And click on the link here, and there's a flyer that you all have access to that details something we'd like to do, which is share your sound with the whole town. We're asking all choir, band, and orchestra students, grades 5th through 12th grade, to find some time Wednesday, May 6th from 12 to 1 p.m. to practice somewhere in front or back of your house if you have the space and the ability to do that. And you can play whatever you want. And if you don't feel comfortable being out there for the whole hour, that's also okay. But it's important that we all start at 12 p.m. And the reason for that is we want to show Pleasanton how many musicians we have in our town. And if you are feeling ambitious and want to put something up on social media, use the hashtag PUSD Quarantunes. And y'all, we made it to Friday. So in the immortal words of Justin Timberlake, it's gonna be May. I hope y'all have a great week, Amador. Take care.